Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am here with the release of the Laura's Roses kit, and this is it's a really special kit. It has 10 pages, 10 files total, so it is available for immediate download or upload or whatever from my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. And so let's see what we have. I have gone ahead and I have printed the first 4 pages on cardstock, and because that's how I like to have my postcards. So these are the postcards, hence Laura. That's how it got its name, Laura's Roses. And these are chalk style postcards that were popular, or they were used a lot back in the very early 1900s. You'll see that there are some ephemera that I've added to this, and this is the kit that if you were a participant in the Amazing Make It Junk Journal Challenge, you received or you had access to this kit in the Facebook group that was specially made for the participants of the Amazing Make It Junk Journal Challenge in the summer of 2018. And it is the kit that I used to make the signature for the journal in the virtual party. The video for that will be available on January 1st, 2019 in my Scrap All About It with Dearjuliejulie Facebook group. And so that you would be able to follow along having this and the video. Okay, so anyway, here is Laura's Roses, and I am releasing it now because I am showing you the I have also released the journal that I made using this kit. So this is the first page. This is the second page, and you get the dictionary page that has the word amaze and amazement because, you know, Amazing Make It Junk Journal Challenge. You have this card with the rose on it. You get 2 more, so you get 2, the 10 and the 3 here. You get the ace and the 8 of hearts here, using a stamp and some flowers. And then you get the receipt. Also, this is the cut apart page, and the instructions are you cut this here and you've got 2 journaling tags, actually 4, so these can all be tags. You cut these into a square, fold them in half, and you get a corner tuck, and then you can cut these and make them into, I use them as tabs. I use them as like I make the ticket paper clips, and then also just throughout. Okay, here is the wallet page, and the wallet page has 9 of the 10 pages printed at wallet size, so that gives you these little images that you're able to use in your embellishments. It was really fun to use, to have. I took one of these and made a charm out of it. So what's unique about this one is your pages are included. They're in a zip drive, and you get 6 pages. So starting with the large rose, and then you get this one, and you can print it and have it as a page like this, or you can print it at 5x7, and it'll print like this next to another. So if you print 2 5x7s or 2 of these right next to each other, you'll have 2 pages, 5x7, 5x7 in your journal. And I show that, I believe, in the video. So here is the Reward of Merit and the candy card, and side by side. So that gives you 2 pages, or a page and a page. We have the large roses, and what I did with this one was I folded it in half like this and made it into a pocket. But you could also have it like that. Here is the roses page, another with the large roses and the small ones here. And in the video, the tutorial, I cut here and made it into a pocket. Of course, I had glued something to the back and everything. And then this is the collage page. So, oops, upside down. So that is the 10 pages of the Laura's Roses kit. And I hope you check it out. And that you check out the, what is it? Hope and Love Sentimental Journal that I made using this kit during the Amazing Make It Junk Journal Challenge. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're having a great day. Find something to celebrate every day. Laura's Roses in my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie. Have a great day. Bye.